Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix horizontal lines on phone screen. So the first step you simply need to do is to open settings of your smartphone. Scroll down and click on system. And here you need to check your system update and check your online update stat. And here you can see that my system is up to date. That's why I'm not seeing any issue. But if your system is not up to date, you need to update your system. And after that, you need to restart your smartphone and hopefully your lines will be removed. But if you are still facing an issue of lines, you need to contact any phone shop or any repair shop or contact with your phone specific support team to and you will get help about this issue because sometimes this is an hardware issue as well. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.